पॉलिसी बॅकबोन IT खातीर खूब म्हत्वाची आशिल्ले. स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी पयलींच सुरू जाल्ली आसा. IT पॉलिसी तरणाट्यांक रोजगार सोदतल्यांक तकलेंत दवरून तयार केल्ली आसा म्हण महसूल मंत्री खंवटे उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केंजिल रॉड्रिगीस.
What we have done is giving a lot of focus on skilling also. So creating industry ready people and having a proper talent pool in the state also is required. कित्याक खंयच्यो इंडस्ट्री जेन्ना व्हडल्यो इंडस्ट्री येता, when we are trying to go to Silicon Valley and attract the best of the industry, we need to ensure that our local talent also is available to serve the requirements of that industry, to match that employment criteria. Now the major part is the IT policy. The IT policy will be allowing technologies of different aspects, futuristic products, high end to medium skill to low skill, all different types of jobs opportunities will be there. So one is जे freshers आमचे भायर सरता, to the people who are outside Goa who have gone because of lacking of opportunities in the IT and IT enabled sector. At the same time, people in Goa who shouldn't be going out, हे सगळे sectors पळोवपाक ही policy तयार केल्ली आसा. I can say that it is one of the best policies coming out from the state to create an ecosystem for IT in toto.